Gil from Testing Gil here. Let's look at this API. It creates a user with these details. And let's say it returns a 200, okay, or maybe a 201 even, created. Did it actually work? So can we trust this answer? Can I get this user data? It didn't even return me an ID. Okay, let's change the response to return an ID. That's better. Now, did it work? So ID is nice, but I want more proof. So let's change the response to include the data I sent. This gives me more confidence that when I send some data, it actually listened to the data that I sent and did something with it. But again, did it work? Okay, so I still want some proof to be more confident. So if I have this ID, I can call a get with this ID. Look at the data that I get and see that it's the same data that I sent. But more than that, if I have something like an getAll API, getAll users, I can call that and see that my data and the ID that it was created with is there in the list. It will give me more confidence that the data is actually there in the database. And finally, to lower my anxiety even more, I will try to delete this data. Call it delete API, and I will call it twice, because once will actually say, yeah, you deleted it, but calling it twice, I expect to get a not found, or 404, to say that, yeah, you can't delete something that you've already deleted. So let's get back to the original question. Did the API work? And the answer is a bit more complex than that. We're not checking APIs. When we're testing with APIs, we're testing features, not just single APIs. It doesn't matter if the API worked, but we need to corroborate this behavior with running different requests on different APIs together and see that the feature worked rather than a single API worked. And in order to test, we want APIs to return as much information as possible to raise our confidence. The more information we have, the more proof we have, the more confidence we have that the APIs and the features and the system actually work. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, leave me some comments if you agree or disagree with me. Watch some other videos on my channel, and see you next time.